In this movie, I want to finally start playing with the object I've created. This is the symbol done before. I want to show you how easily you can create pattern in Illustrator. So now I have this object over here in my screen, and then I can go to object pattern create, and then the computer warns you that the new pattern has been added to your swatch panel, which is fine. We will see it later. And then the computer offers you the possibility to give like a name, like Pattern1. It's such a creative name. And then you can have the position like a grid. The grid can be even smaller than this grid automatically fit the size of the object. You can decide to have like smaller than the dimension, so the object overlaps, or in case you can make it wider if you want to have extra distance between the different objects. But also I want to let's say explore. You can have a switch, you can change the alignments, 1 on 2. This is a half drop vertical repeat, or maybe this is half drop horizontal repeat, or maybe you can use like a kind of hexagon repeat. In this case probably you need to edit a little more. Let me see over here. And in height is fine. So let's say I'm happy with this. For example, I can just press done, and now the new pattern is already saved into my computer, where it's placed. Okay, let me create a new artboard. I show you where it is. Let me create a rectangle. This rectangle, let's say, is yellow, but then I want to change the background color of this rectangle to my new pattern. Ecco qua, Pattern1. Okay, it's been applied to the border. Okay, here it's been applied to the rectangle. The rectangle now has the pattern inside, and if I see that the pattern is too big or is too small or whatever, I can go to the scale tool. I can double click on the scale tool, and the scale tool asks me, okay, do you want to change the object? What do you want to change? In this case, I don't want to reshape the strokes. I don't want to reshape the rectangle itself. I just want to reshape the pattern. And so maybe I want to have like a smaller pattern. Okay, that fits. I like this better. And okay, so this is the pattern that I have created. Another cool option of the pattern that I created is that I can also edit the pattern itself. Let's go to Pattern1. I can double click, and then I'm entering in an editing mode in which, let's say for example, I want to add some extra details into my pattern, such as like another, let's say, so don't get wrong as I'm doing. Okay, maybe one circle over here and another circle, let's say over here. And then you see automatically the computer updates the whole pattern. I have the possibility to click on done or to save a copy. So this saving a copy means that I'm preserving the original pattern, but also I have a brand new one. In this case, I'm happy with this one. I just click done, that this update the pattern, and now track automatically you see that the pattern has been updated. And so let's take a look on what's happened on an actual garment. Let me create another artboard. Here we go, we have the artboard, and I want to import the shirt. This is my previous shape. We can remove this one. And in this case, okay, this is a group. So I need to ungroup Okay, I have this one, and then I want to have the pattern to be placed into the shape. Okay, maybe it's not that bad, but I really want to change it. Okay, here there is a big mistake that definitely should be amended. The pattern cannot be the same on the sleeve and on the torso. That's really important. But okay, now is not the point to talk about flatten specs. So just to give you the idea, in this moment, again, I can get the scale tool and I can ask the computer, okay, do not transform the shape, I just transform the pattern, and maybe I can like simulate the effect of a fancy pattern of the garment. I'm happy with this. Okay, and this is how you can create a custom pattern starting from scratch. Okay, so now I want to have the pattern different from the sleeve and the torso. It's not that complicated, honestly. It's pretty simple. I need to duplicate these two shapes for a moment. Okay, like this, and then I can ask the computer to do the job for me. Okay, using the very famous Pathfinder. Okay, here we go. I have the new shape. I don't want any stroke. I just want to have the, and I want, in this case, I want to also to rotate the pattern. I want to just transform the pattern itself. Let's say, I don't know, 45 degrees could be fine. Okay. Okay, I need another one totally white because, okay, I need to match these two. Because, okay, 1 and 2. Okay, make a group. Okay, arrange, bring to front. Need to be better aligned. Honestly, it's not really aligned in the way it should be. And also, okay, this line, arrange, bring to front. Okay, this is the new pattern, and maybe, okay, it's a good idea to have the copy of this mirror tool more or less in the center of the shirt. Okay, copy. Ecco, so this is how a real pattern is supposed to be done.